Going to talk today about permanent media filtration. These medias can be used in both a manual process as well as an automated process. There's a variety of configurations, but the most important thing is not all processes lend themselves to self-cleaning or cleanable medias depending on the type of contaminant that we're trying to remove. But because APO offers a variety of different types of permanent medias, we feel we have the most options available to see what, if anything, can work in that environment. We have a standard perforated media. It can be used as a in a manual device or in a self-cleaning device. Typically achieve separations down to about 1,000 micron. We have wedge wire, both reverse roll as well as standard configuration. What the wedge wire offers is a defined slot on the dirty side and a large opening on the back side so that anything that does get through that slot opening will not plug the media. It also helps in a self-cleaning configuration because it acts as a nozzle when the water flows back through that angled area. We have a movable media. So this coil media during process is in a compressed mode. In backwash, it opens and allows debris to be removed very readily. This is one of the few cleanable technologies that can be used very successfully on fibrous medias as well as gelatinous deformable solids that typically would blind other types of cleanable or self-cleaning medias. Not only do we have the variety of medias, but we also have a variety of configurations that we can apply for both manual self-cleaning and semi-automatic designs. And we invite you to challenge us with an opportunity to reduce what you're currently using disposable medias and adding to your landfill and come up with a cleaner, greener way to do your process filtration.